What up, guys? It's Edwin, back at it with another video. It's been a while, I know that. But anyways, I just wanted to come back with something different. Instead of shoes today, we're going to be talking about a watch, movement watch. I just got in a couple days ago, and I just want to, put my review in for it. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so here you have it. Got the movement watch right here. This is the case that it comes in. It's a pretty nice case. I mean, nothing special or anything, but the logo's nice. Anyway, we got it's called the Monochrome Link watch on movement, and this is how it comes right here. I've already kind of messed with it because I got it a couple days ago, like I said, so it's not exactly how it comes in. This was usually on the watch, but I've already put everything away. So here it is, Monochrome Link. This is it's actually gray. It looks like I might say like a gunmetal gray, maybe maybe a little lighter. But I don't know. I opted up with this instead of like a black one. I've already have a black one actually that we'll get into later, movement watch. But so I wanted to go with something different, gray. I thought about silver. Silver goes with everything. But I don't know. I just want to try something different, and went with the gray. It's an analog watch. You can see it has everything right there, the date, and it's got that nice, just slick, just movement logo. I just think it's just simple movement logo. And actually, guys, this is super cheap. I mean, I feel like for what the watch is, it's nice, and it's really cheap. I got it for, it's normally like I think $115 on the website, and I ended up getting it for $97 because of their I think it was a 5-year anniversary sale that they had going on. So I ended up getting it for $97, and all said and done, free shipping and all that. And honestly, I couldn't be happier. I mean, it's just a slick watch, and as you can see, put it on right here. I've already adjusted the link, so it's already ready to go. It looks pretty clean, honestly, on the wrist. Gray and all, just kind of clean it up a little bit. It's also got that movement logo. Let me take it off. Movement logo right here, if you can see it a little bit. Yeah. So, and honestly, I didn't even know how to adjust the links. Oh, this one's kind of coming out right here. But really, it's easy to take them out. They got little pins in here. They've got arrows. Can't really tell, but they've got arrows where you need to take it out. So really what you do is just get something sharp, put it in the hole right there, and you kind of have to hit it a little bit for it to come out, and then that's how you adjust it. I think I took like 2 links out for it to fit my wrist. I don't have like a huge wrist or anything, so but yeah, man, that's pretty much it.